can stand up, but not all the way. I have to stand like this.
Wow.
Come on.
Most of the wood came out of the 70% off bin at Home Depot. Redwood 2x2s. The guy in the back said that it would be cheaper than what we were already buying.
Shout out to Home Depot. You guys let me know. There was a lot of really good cheap lumber back in the 70% off bin. That's where most of this came from for today's stuff. I was loading up my bin and he was like, you know, we got a bunch of Redwood 2x2s back in the 70% off, so they'd be cheaper than what you're buying. So we bought a bunch of the Redwood ones instead.
Cheap scrap wood, but by the end of this one day, one of the boys is going to be standing up inside walls that weren't there this morning. It starts the way every build day starts, figuring out which tools we actually need.
Is that my framing nail? I don't want a framing nailer.
Where is your mom?
I think it's downstairs.
Con, can you go get it? Are we going to use this?
No, I was going to use the router.
Where is the router? Right there?
I think that's also downstairs.
Our first real job of the day. One of the boys gets his turn with the nail gun.
Yeah!
That's the sound of our joy.
Push it down.
Wait, Dad.
Wheels in a wide open sky. The Taylor Workshop watches roll on by. It ain't about the money, ain't about the wood. It's a Saturday with
Before the router comes out,
good.
there's a rule. Everybody's in safety glasses.
Let's get the router. The router we need glasses for. We need glasses.
Where's your glasses? Where's the blue one? Where's the glasses?
Then the big question of the day, how tall do these walls need to be?
So what do we do next?
We gotta decide the walls.
What do we do for the walls?
One of the boys is already dreaming about landing the channel's first sponsor.
Today we had our first sponsor.
In the main build, the height debate gets real. Go too tall and the whole thing turns top heavy and tips over.
I can not kneel.
I think if we go 3 feet, it's for you guys to sleep in. If we go too tall, then it makes the whole thing top heavy and likely to tip over. So if we just gotta be moderate.
So there's a tape measure lesson right there in the driveway. 12 inches in a foot, 36 to a wall.
Bridgie, can you get up there? Do you know where 3 feet is on your tape measure?
3 feet.
Do you know how to read your tape measure?
No, but I'm
Look, I'll show you.
2 feet. 2 feet.
Oh, back up.
3 feet.
That's 2 feet. So the 1F, that's 1 foot. 2 foot. 3F is 3 feet, or 36 inches. Because there's 12 inches in a foot.
36 inches at the back, angled down towards the front, shorter than the 42 they first planned, so it stays stable.
This is 3 feet, right? Yeah, this is 3 feet.
It's straight up on the back, so it'd be 36 inches on the back.
That's 31 inches. No,
So
right here.
it was gonna be 42, but we're going shorter because I don't want it top heavy. So we're gonna go 36 inches in the back, and we'll angle the front.
The kids lobby hard to cram the whole thing into one episode. Dad's not convinced.
Dad, but why? But they don't want to have They don't want to have 2 episodes in 2 episodes where we build the wall. 3 episodes. 4
On to this.
episodes. 4 episodes.
Why not?
Building walls. Why would they?
Why wouldn't they?
Wait, are we going to grade them all in the same exact one? Yeah, Dad, why don't we just do it today?
One of the boys sinks a screw all the way through the very first time.
Okay, go Rich.
What do I
Push.
Did I
Good
do
job.
it in too far?
No, we're good. Okay.
Then comes the door negotiation. How wide it should be and exactly who's allowed inside.
How wide do you want this?
Oh yeah.
How long? Wide do we want the door?
This big? So we can have. We need it to
Do
be.
you need it like this big?
Yeah.
So he can bring our babies.
Yeah.
Can bring our babies in our trailer.
Sure.
Oh, and we can bring friends in here.
Somebody gets hurt, and the day pauses for that rule that matters more than the build. When someone's hurt, you love them better.
You okay? Come. Deep breaths. What happened? Where did it hurt? Right here.
Right here.
Bridger, go to mom. We don't want to edit this out.
No, it's okay. When somebody gets hurt, you love them better. Dang wind. You okay?
Dad shares where the whole idea came from. A guy online rebuilding a house on almost nothing, talking through each day. This is our version, the kids' RV.
Should you like the guy I like to follow? My $5,000 house, and be like our scrap wood RV.
Wait, what? What do you follow?
There's a guy who's remodeling a house in, I think, Croatia or Slovenia, or maybe it's Serbia, one of those three. And he starts out, my $5,000 house, and then he talks about what he worked on that day. But this would be like, my kid's RV, and we talk about what we did that day.
Your junk kid RV.
No, I didn't say
They put the drone up for a bird's eye look at the work.
Oh, let's leave it right here, actually,
Fine.
because it can see everything. But let's do the drone.
Yes! And then we can have a bird's eye view. Like, watch the top, from the top. That's what I see in some videos. Some videos that I watch are like on YouTube. I see drones flying.
And somewhere between screws, the talk turns to bears and how Alaska keeps them out with nails around the windows.
Do you know how they take care of bears in Alaska?
How?
They put nails sticking out around their windows. So if the bear tries to get in, it gets. They put nails like, and the pokey part sticking out around the window. And so when the bear comes and tries to break in, ow! Paw full of.
By late in the day, the first wall is standing. Then it's clear they need two more. With the walls on and on the gorilla cart, the kids jump on, perched on top, to take a look around. And then the moment this whole day was for. One of the boys climbs inside, the walls didn't exist this morning, and finds he can almost stand all the way up.
I can stand up, but not all the way. I have to stand like this. Wow. Mom, and do you want to hear what Dad said?
You sure?
When we're done, you can go up. Up there.
He gives the tour, where the bed goes, where the storage will be, the table that's going to fold up out of the way.
Like where
Right here.
on the ground?
Yeah. And this part's gonna be this part is gonna be a storage room.
Then where's your bed?
Oh,
So this is gonna go fold up and down.
Cheap materials, but a priceless afternoon. Next, the roof.
What are we doing next time, Dad?
The roof.
The roof? Isn't the roof our last thing? Isn't the roof our last thing?
No, we gotta put all the inside and outside parts on too.
Like insulate. We have to insulate the inside, right, Dad?
They're even taking votes on what color to paint it. The neighbors are calling for white, red, and black. What do you think we should do? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Tell us what color to paint it. Right now, what's the colors, Bridger?
so our neighbor said white, red, and black.
White, red, and black.
Dad can pick some colors too if you want. Send them on the comics.
One more shot for a goodbye. See you next week on the channel.
Hey, you want to go get the drone? We'll
Yep.
do a goodbye shot.
Walls going up as the daylight goes down. Best little camper in the whole dang town. He climbs on in